What you doing? Hi. Okay, Logan, move. Easy.
Did he just walk in her?
Yeah. Would you get away from her, please? Hey. I'm trying to tape her. If you could move, that'd be great.
No, be careful.
Easy, buddy. Hi, Gunner. All right. Everybody's away from the baby. What are you doing, Ella? Hi. 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 Logan, leave her alone. Logan. Logan, it's fine. Gunner's not gonna hurt her. What you doing? Mind you.
She's not really going there anymore.
Well, she can't because she's got a damn Rottweiler in her face.
Ella. Logan.
Leave her alone. Hi. Hi. What are you doing, crazy girl? Okay, Gunner, stay. Logan, get off her.
Oh.
Nobody's gonna hurt her. Logan. Easy, Logan. You think so? She bites you. Okay, go on. Go on. Go. Watch your head.
That would have been bad.
Okay. Logan, get. Get. Go on. Scram. Hi, baby girl. I think your puppy Logan's a little nervous with you being on the floor and mobile. I don't think he likes it very much. See what happens when Gunner comes over. Come here, Gunner. Gunner, come here. Come here, Gun.
Logan thought I was in the place.
I think he did. Okay, Logan. You stay, Logan.
Stay. Good boy. Aw.
Ella. Easy, Ella. Okay, Logan, come here. Logan. Ella, come here. Come here. Show Grammy how you crawl. Show Grammy how you crawl. There you go. There you go.
It's Grammy.
Grammy. Hi. Come on. Come on. Oh, you've had it. Ella. You leave Gunner alone.
You don't think he would do something to her, would you?
Nah, I don't know. He's old and a little cranky.
I don't think he'd ever like snap at her.
Hi. Are you skydiving? Are you skydiving? Nope, now you're doing push-ups. What? Come here. Come here. I think somebody filled their britches.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Either that or she farted.
'Cause you stink. You stink.
You didn't want this, did you?
No. Yeah, no, that's not for you. No. No. Hey. You gonna crawl to Logan? No.